Okay, for gold birds combo, click mine. Then we have the first soul pairs, Maniki and Dapper. That is the set combo, guys. Soul pairs. This is the soul pairs, but we need to unlock Fred level 16. Okay, under influencer. Let's find Fred level 16. This one. Oh, too much expensive. 37. Takes 1 million, 2 million. Wow, 2 million. Already 75 6K. Okay, bye. Give me 20K only. What? Maniki. No, it's Mew. Maniki, Maniki. This is a Maniki. Okay, 30K. Our only reward is 100K. But my profit hour increase, okay? And let's find the dropper, the last combo. This one. Okay, go ahead and we got it. We only got 100K in return of 2 million coins. Okay, but my profit per hour is increasing. Okay.